Let's learn with Park Tulip. Today we are going to learn about the differences between wake up and get up. Wake up and get up are phrasal verbs. Wake up means to stop sleeping and open your eyes. When your alarm clock goes off in the morning, you wake up because you are no longer sleeping. You can wake up naturally. It means your body doesn't need to sleep anymore, or something or someone can wake you up. An alarm clock can wake you up, or your friend or your dog can wake you up. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. We write subject plus wake up plus other information. Why am I still tired when I wake up? I hope she wakes up soon. We have to go. Let's have the surprise ready before he wakes up. When someone or something calls you to stop sleeping, you can use to wake someone up. To wake someone up means to cause someone to stop sleeping. The person that is being waken up, the object is placed between the words wake and up. Often an object pronoun is used instead of the noun or name. For example, the sound of the baby crying woke me up. A loud noise outside her bedroom window woke her up. Get up. Get up means to get out of bed, usually to start your day. When you get up, you leave your bed. You are no longer in the bed. Get up can also mean to go from a lying position or to your feet. I normally get up at 7 in the morning. The first thing I do when I get up is go to the toilet. This morning I got up earlier than normal. You can use wake up and get up together in a sentence. I wake up at 6 and then get up 5 minutes later. It means you are still in your bed at 6, but after 5 minutes later, you get out of your bed. I wake up around 7 o'clock, but I don't get up until around 8. I like to lie in bed reading before I start my day. When do you usually wake up? When do you usually get up? What's the first thing you do when you get up? What do you usually do when you wake up? When do you wake up and get up in the morning? When did you wake up and get up this morning? Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time. Bye.